something just popped out. It was already broken by the looks of it. Let's see what that is in a bit. If I can get this out, it would be good. There we go. That's basically the carcass. So let's put that aside, because that's not important at the moment. So let's see what this is all about. Now, I'm gonna try to find where this little piece has come off, and I don't think it's a big deal, because if you can see this little piece, it's just come off, and it's basically part of that little latch there, and one there is already basically snapped off, it's just hanging on, and this one is on the other side somewhere. There's a piece, I think there's a broken piece, or is that as it is? I'm not sure if that's broken, but it doesn't seem to be broken, but I think this piece has come off here, goes on there, so I don't think it's of any major importance, but let's carry on. See, that's the winter or summer switch. All that setting is if you're driving in snow, you want it set to winter, and it pulls off basically in a, I think, second gear rather than first gear, allowing your wheels or tires to get more traction if they're going slower, or rather than summer is obviously your wheels will spin faster, reducing any grip if it's snow and ice. So this, I think, is the reverse light switch, and this notch here is basically, it's controlled by moving it back and forth, and it's on this control basically that slots into there, and it's on the other side actually, on the back end, and as the lever moves around, that alters obviously it's making some kind of contact inside, and I think that will be the reverse light control. So let's get this opened, and by the looks of it, it's just this top end. This should come off these little clips. Just have to sort of push this up with my two fingers, and then just basically push these down. There we are, and it's the same on the other side. Keep it push it up or pull it up, and the other side has to be a bit tricky. Doesn't want to come out, but let's give it another go. There we are. Those are all your LEDs, which obviously light up the this little panel. As you change the gears, this lights up, on these LEDs light up, indicating which gear you're in. So I don't think there's any that's a straightforward clip on, so nothing complicated there. So it goes on basically, just remember which way it goes on. It goes on this way, and in reverse it would probably go on, no it won't, so it can only go in one way. And because it's got this little indicator or something, that it won't go this side, so it has to just pop in there. It's got 2 spaces there for it to go in. That, put that on the side. Now, because of this lever or switch, or the contacts should be inside somewhere, and now my job is to actually open this up, and the 2 colors are different, one's white, one's black. I think there's some kind of spring loaded in there, but when I open it, it doesn't just pop out. So let's see, look at my electric screwdriver, because this is finished. Now it's got 2 notches there, one to pry this open and sort of push, but then I'm going to push these, pry that open, and this one here as well on this side, and a little notch on this side. So let's get this one and see if that pries it. Doesn't want to do that. The other screw flathead pushed in. Try to force these out if I can, which I can't. No. That's sort of slipped out on this side a little more. So that's basically, the notch is out. So what I'm going to do is go on the other side. And do the same this side. That notch is out, and it's basically coming apart. And a shaky. You haven't seen a tutorial like this. Not much of a tutorial. That's another little notch there. Just got to pry that open. I didn't see that one. And basically I lift that with the screwdriver and just sort of push it forward. That's come out cleanly. This one's out also, so it's sort of being pried open. What's holding it is down here, something's holding it. Don't want to break it, so the best is to be gentle. Don't force anything. There's always something in the way that you don't see and later regret because you break it. Now what I've realised here is these are connected inside there, and I think they need to be removed in some way. Basically, without basically breaking them, so I'll put it back together, snapped it back, and I'll try again. Obviously it opens up a lot quicker the second time. Used to talking at the same time as I'm trying to undo this, but I'll try my best. Okay, that seems to be coming out. As I pry it open, these are still stuck inside. Let's see if I can't really push them in, or how they've actually assembled it with them. I have no idea. There's another here which is restricting it being opened, and I think there's one in there as well, getting awkward. You'll have to bear with me, because, as I said before, I'm no mechanic. That side is basically all loose, but I'm worried about if I pry it open, it's gonna affect this.